Lee, I know that you work for Cyborg Security. I know that you're a senior threat hunter and you develop content, but I'm curious, what is Cyborg Security doing today to be awesome for their customers?
So when we first started, it was all content development. Like I talked about those hunt packages that we created. But what we wanted is how we want to set ourselves apart from everyone else was that, and I can't speak for everyone, but I know there's always been times that I've gotten a tool and then that was it. It was like, here, use this tool, where we had to figure it out on our own. But so what we've done is we've created a multi levels of training. We have created a scheduled meetings with our customers so we could talk about threat hunting, especially if they are just getting into it. How do they, how can they actually run threat hunting and get a cadence going? And we've also improved the functionality and the tools itself within the Hunter platform. We added what we call the Hunt module, where you can start taking the Hunt packages. You can put them in this Hunt module, and it starts. I'm probably going to mark this terribly, but basically, we add the reporting feature as well. So you can take a Hunt package, put it in the Hunt module, and then you have all the information that's in the Hunt or in the Hunt package, and you can translate that to a report. And as you're taking notes, and as you're finding artifacts, and as you're changing the query, and if you save all that in the Hunt module, whenever you output it, you're going to see all those changes and notes that you take. And the importance of that is that I could give you results and say, hey, I found these things. But a lot of the times, especially coming from a security operations center, growing up as a level 1, the question was, well, how did you get there? Right? What query did you use? Where's your supporting documentation? And that's what we provide in the Hunt module, is that you have a place to type in the information, you have a place to save your queries, and that whenever you export it to an actual report, it'll be there. Which, if you have, or if you are a senior, or if you are a principal, and you are trying to train level 1s and level 2s, you can take your report and say, look, here's my flow. Here's the initial query. Here's the pivot queries that we used. Here's the artifacts that we found along the way, so that they could replicate that. Even if they wanted, or if they wanted to take the time and go back and do the same searches, just to get the repetition in, we provide that. So that was a big thing that we did, and I really like where we're going with it. So